In this video, I'll show you how to create a dramatic opening where glowing heat-like streaks swipe across the screen and reveal your video with a cinematic edge. Start by opening your project in CapCut Mobile and placing your video clip at the beginning of the timeline so the swipe hits immediately. Tap on the video clip to select it. From the bottom toolbar, tap on Animation to access the animation settings. Now, switch to the In tab, which controls how your video appears at the start. Scroll through the animation list until you find Heat Leak Swipe, then apply it. Once applied, glowing streaks move across the screen, revealing the video underneath with a warm and vintage-inspired look. In CapCut Mobile, this animation is applied directly to the video clip, not as a separate layer. Use the duration slider to control how intense the swipe feels. Shorter duration makes the reveal fast and punchy. Longer duration slows it down, adding cinematic drama. Preview the animation and adjust the timing so the swipe matches your pacing. And that's it. You've successfully added a heat leak swipe reveal animation in CapCut Mobile. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more CapCut Mobile animation tutorials.